How to add link in Instagram Reels or Story. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add link in Instagram Reels or Story. First of all, open up your Instagram. Once you have opened up your Instagram, just go for the your story option, and here you have to access the all permission here. After that, here you have to choose the video that from your gallery. Once you have choose the video, you have to just go for the A option or the sticker. You have to just go for the sticker option here. Once you are on your sticker option, here you have to find the link option under your sticker. You can see the link option. After that, here you have to just go for the google.com or anything that you want. Just go for the down option here. And here you can see that you can place this, place this, you can place this everywhere that you want. Also, you can go back. So this way you can easily add the link in your Instagram Reels like this. Also, you can go for the plus icon and out of and add the Reels. After that, go for the OK option. Again, you have to navigate to your sticker icon, and under your sticker icon, you won't see the link option. You have to just go for the next option here, and just go for the continue option. And here you can easily paste that link here. By copying that link, you can easily paste the link on the caption. So this way you can easily add the link in your Instagram reel. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.